film a thing. I stood here like an asshole for 15 minutes holding this up, and I didn't film a thing until now. My arm's tired, and all I was doing was holding my camera.
We should have grand finale.
I think the deck is burning.
It's not over! Come on, people. They got like 3 grand finales in this thing.
It's
Like
halftime.
Beethoven's 5th. You think it's over, it's not.
Hi, can you? I got the camera rolling. Can you tell me your thoughts on the?
Probably wasn't really rolling. I'm guessing that this is not actually recording.
It is recording now because I missed the first 15 out of the 16 minutes of the show.
Great show.
What is great show? There's no light either.
We got it down.
Well, there you go, folks. The fireworks are over.